Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can export and import Google Chrome bookmarks or favorites. And we can use this to do a backup and also for a restore. I have a Google Chrome browser open here. Now to do an export or backup, you click on this, you go to the top right, there's these three dots. Click on that and then go down to where it says bookmarks and lists. And then go to Bookmark Manager, click on that, and then on this new window here, there's three dots also. So there's these three dots, and then there's these three dots. You want to go to these ones and click on this. And then you have this option to import or export. To backup your bookmarks, you want to click on Export. Then you will name your file and save it in whatever location you want to save it. Now that you have your backup, if you needed to restore the bookmarks or favorites, what you'll do is, let me open a new tab. So this is what we have right now. What you'll need to do is go through the same process again. Click on the three dots, go to Bookmarks and Lists, go to Bookmark Manager, go to the three dots here, and then click on Import Bookmarks. Now you'll want to select that file that you saved or backed up, and then click open, and now it should show. Here we have it. It's showing as imported, and if I click on it, it says bookmarks bar, and you can see these are the bookmarks that are also here. So from here you can just move them to wherever you want. The other thing you can do is you can use the same bookmarks or the same backup on a different browser. Like if you're running Microsoft Edge, you can use the same bookmarks as well to do a restore. So if I open Edge here, and let me click a new tab, you can see I don't have any bookmarks here. But if I wanted to use those bookmarks on this browser, I can go to the top right. You can click on this icon or click on these three dots, and then go to favorites, and then click on these three dots, and you can import favorites. And here you see you have an option to import data from Google Chrome. So you can click import. So here what you'll need to do is you can say import from, then you'll need to select this option, favorite or bookmarks HTML file. Then here you need to choose file. You need to choose select that file, click open, done, and as you can see, it imported all the bookmarks that I have on my Google Chrome browser. So that's all for this video. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.